Hello and welcome to Come Let's Make Learning Fun. Today we are going to look at a very simple but something that's really disturbing for a lot of us with children on the spectrum, that is their eating habits. A lot of our kids are picky eaters. Picky eaters meaning they are very specific about the kind, the texture, the smell of the food that they eat. So it makes it very difficult, especially when we go in a social setting. You go for a wedding or you go to a relative's house or you go on a holiday, and if our children have very strong food preferences, then it becomes very difficult for us to enjoy the outing wherever it may be. And sometimes what we find is that children, they outgrow the food preferences, but as they near adolescence, these preferences come back. So a few parents had messaged me saying he was okay, but now again he's not eating this, or he's eating only curd rice, or he's eating only dry food. He was like this when he was very young. He had become better, but again this has started. What do I do, and why is this happening? So as children get into adolescence, their sensory issues sometimes becomes more. So they become more sensitive. So all the sensory problems that they had as a child, and so say in terms of touch, in terms of texture, in terms of smell, in terms of how it looks like, all those things might sometimes just get aggravated with the changes that come in adolescence. So we might find all those issues cropping back again. So how do we handle picky eating? Now this video I'll share a few tips which can be used with younger and older children alike. So first and foremost, make meal times a family affair. So do not ask your child to eat alone, watch TV and eat, or sit on their own and eat. There will be the other family members at home, so make sure you all sit around and eat together and have a conversation as you're talking. So that way the focus is elsewhere and not really on the anxiety about what they are eating. Next point, introduce new food gradually. So pair up the new food or the food that they don't like with food that they really love. So if there is something that they don't like, say they don't like paneer, but they are very very fond of chapati or dosa, pair this with that. So give a small portion of the food that they are sensitive to with a big portion of the food that they absolutely love. So pair the two up and say, you finish this, I will give you that. So that will encourage them to explore, will give them a motivation to finish that food. Next point, please do not force the child. So if you feel no, this is not working, what can you do? So the child, you should eat that food in front of your kid, whatever it is that they are not eating. So the way you handle the food, the way you appreciate, the way you express, wow, the taste is good, I like the smell, this is so tasty, this is so nice, this is soft, or this is crisp. So they should see you express joy and your kind of relishing the food. They should see you do that. So that will encourage them to explore the food. Next point, if it's an older child, as you're making the food, involve your child in the cooking. So say, can you just move it in the kadai, or can you just help me with the tomatoes, can you help me with this? So when the child is involved in the cooking, when they are touching that food, when they are seeing you handle, when they are seeing it being done, so that also encourages them to try it out. Next point, ask them to serve you that food. Again, that will reduce their sensory issues and will encourage them to explore. So never force them, but gradually introduce new foods. Don't do it one day, every day a new food. No. Say about 3 days, once in 3 days, introduce one new item that they have sensitivity to. So gradually, when you do this with persistent effort, you will find them, enjoying exploring new foods also. But it really depends on how we take it further with them. So don't express anxiety. Accept that this is a part of who your child is. This is what a part of what makes your child unique, and just help them navigate the route through this. Try it out. I'm sure you'll be successful.